Hey, what's up guys, welcome to our review. Today I'm going to make this car, but I cannot make done. I don't make it. So if you want to look my video again, just click the subscribe my video. And don't forget to subscribe and like it. Okay, let's go. This guy's this car is good. I didn't make that. Wait. Another one. No! Another one is, you can download this on the game. Poogie. Okay. Oh, there's Marshmallow. This not same with this car. This Marshmallow car, like F90. Whoa, this is cool. Oh my god. This is cool. Like the Evil 9. Mattery. Not. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, what is this car? I even done that. So we must to. Whoa, this car. It doesn't make it. So, like, just make it. Look at this. I have done make this. So if you want to click the subscribe, just click. What is this? It doesn't need that. Wow. This is pretty awesome. It looks like crazy, right? Oh my god. I don't make it. Oh, I don't make it. How is gonna go again? Didn't even fit like that. Oh my god, this car back. Oh my god, I don't know the key. They have one car. Here's my photos. This Marshmallow. This Punch. This looks like Evil car. Okay guys, I'm gonna change my name. Oh no. CD. Okay. This is my name. Oh, that's not my name. Okay. Another one is make F. Sure. I'm sure not make it. It does. No. So I'm not gonna change my name. Zaire. My name is Zaire. But I'm gonna choose my name Zaire Shardy. Sorry guys. Okay guys, if you want down below my video, just click in and subscribe and like it. All people subscribe and check my name. What? You can check in this, so you can like my video and you can check my video. Look, there's my name. That says you can take my name Zaire Shardy. All the cars are done. If you want to subscribe my video, just subscribe and like it.